Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And today we are working on a Monkeypod countertop. This is for a client down by Pipeline. And Monkeypod is really the best Hawaiian wood to use. The density is perfect. I actually call it the fingernail test. If I can scratch it with my fingernail, it's no good for a table or a countertop like this. And these trees get really big, so we can make the countertop out of one solid piece. And it's got the good stability as well, so it will stay flat. So what we do is we go down to the client's house, make a template. We take the template from the client's sink, and then we'll drill holes in the corners using a hole saw. And then we'll join up those holes with a steel saw. We'll join those 4 holes together, pop out the centerpiece, and it's always a nice touch with this centerpiece to turn that into a cutting board as a housewarming gift for the client. One other note, especially if there's drawer fronts, drawer faces, we will have some live edge, but we try to keep it fairly straight so that you don't have to reach too far under to get to the drawer pulls. One detail that we can add with countertops is to have an integral wood backsplash. So what we'll do is we'll lay down a heavy bead of silicone, and then we can screw this to the back. We'll have a chamfered edge on the top, and in this way, you have a nice built-in backsplash. Here at Lyric Woodwork, I think these countertops are something that we're uniquely able to do well and conveniently. Because we have massive amounts of woods, all different sizes, we're going to have something in stock, in-house for most countertops. And I spent many years building houses, and so I'm totally comfortable delivering this to a site and installing it and thinking about all the things that can happen on location. For instance, corners aren't square, and you're gonna have to make some adjustments. So we're often thinking about that, and then we have different strategies for mounting as well. And I would also say that, for instance, this one will be an undermount sink. Always the way to go. Probably 99% of the time, the undermount sink works really well for these wood countertops. And if you have a project where you can see some built-in solid wood countertops, please pay us a visit here at the mill, and please subscribe to our channel.